Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how DeFi 11 is winning the crypto bear market. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. During bad markets, every investor tends to feel nervous, even more so for a beginner who may feel like the end of the world. During bull markets, investors are almost certainly aware that they are sure to make money. On the other hand, when markets are weak like this one, a lot of pessimism starts to creep in. Markets often go through periods of falling prices, but this doesn't make it any easier to predict them. Guess how long they will last or judge how bad they will be. Even if you can't see into the future, you can still take a few smart steps to reduce your losses in a bear market and move your long-term project goals forward. This is also what DeFi 11 is trying to do. Taking every precaution to make sure that the resources of DeFi 11 are used as well as they can be. In spite of this, production is still high, using the investors and stakeholders to help bring about good changes in the ecosystem and community. Forever staking. In place of a fixed-term tranche, DeFi 11 will soon announce an open tranche that can be used at any time. This means that the audience will have no limits on how much extra money they can make. Getting involved in the community. Instead of getting new team members from outside the industry, at DeFi 11, artists, developers, and people in charge of a community are all welcome. So they are already looking for people who want to work with them and are excited about the DeFi 11 project to be community managers. So send a direct message to DeFi 11 Telegram community managers to join the DeFi 11 team. So here are the changes and updates for the DeFi 11 app. DeFi 11 is proud of the team and the community, so the partners are always willing to help tell people in their area about it. This choice was made after a thorough evaluation and talks with key advisors and stakeholders. There will be a lot of changes for you in the near future. So what is DeFi 11 about? DeFi 11 is a decentralized gaming ecosystem that is powered by DeFi and is built on the Matic blockchain with Ethereum as the base layer. The goal of the platform is to make gaming more ethical by making the system open, auditable, and rewarding. In this way, DeFi 11 is trying to get more people into a gaming market that's already good but hasn't grown because there haven't been any new ideas. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.